right angle triangle, the angle which you have considered, let us say C, side opposite to that will be taken as perpendicular. Longest side, you know that, what is it? Hypotenuse. And last one is base. So I repeat, if you would have considered this angle, then BC will be considered as perpendicular, AB becomes base, but hypotenuse remains same. So now in this case, we have considered this as the angle. So we will consider this as perpendicular, this as hypotenuse, and this as base. So what are the possible ratios? Let us start with the first ratio, that is the perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Perpendicular to hypotenuse. What could be another one? Base upon hypotenuse. What else we can have? Perpendicular upon base. And so we can say if this is a ratio, we can have the reciprocals also. So reciprocal is also one kind of ratio. So in all, we can have 6 ratios. And these 6 ratios were given name. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse was given name sine of the angle, because this angle has decided, so we have to consider the angle also. Sine of this angle is considered to be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse was given name cosine of the angle. Don't forget the angle, which is C. Cosine of the angle is name of the ratio base upon hypotenuse. So see, this is, you have just studied circle. You know circle pada. See, this is perpendicular to this. Radius को कौन सी चीज perpendicular थी? Tangent. So that's why this ratio is same as from the tangent concept. So name was given tangent of the angle is perpendicular upon base. Reciprocal of this is cosecant of the angle C. Secant of angle C. And finally, cotangent of angle C. So these names were becoming complicated. So basically the name is sine, cosine, but without angle they have no meaning. So you have to mention the angle with it. Tangent, secant, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. But they have given an abbreviation. What is that? They call this as sin C. Cos C, not C. C means angle. Angle could be A also. Angle could be other name also. Alpha, beta, gamma, theta. So many Greek letters are also used. This is tan of the angle. Cosec. So never confuse. Cosec of C. Sec, angle, and cot, angle. So these are the abbreviations which you can use. But some people start writing sin. Sin is nothing. Cos is nothing. Tan is nothing. Tan is, you know that sin is, what is sin? Cosec itself is nothing. So you have to mention the angle with them. So you have 6 T ratios and you have to remember which ratio is named what. So we have made a method out of it. We know that there are 3 major and then their reciprocals. So first you will remember the three majors, and then you will remember the reciprocals. Now how to do that? This concept is coming from the concept of Pythagoras also, similar triangles also. So we are not relating at present with that. So we have to remember these ratios and then see what to do and how to deal with it. Various methods are available. If in a right angle triangle, sine of the angle A is 3 by 5. So we will design a triangle. We have to be careful that A cannot be 90. We have considered this angle, sine of A. That means they have talked about perpendicular upon hypotenuse ratio is 3 by 5. So I will write 5 times K, 3 times K, because it's a ratio, some common factor we have taken away. Side ratios, we will not say this is 3 centimeter or 3 meter. We will say it is 3 times something, 30 हो सकता है, 15 हो सकता है, उतना ही multiple ये हो सकता है, because we are dealing with ratio. Since ABC triangle is right angled triangle, we can apply Pythagoras. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. 5K square AB square plus 3K square. Right? $25K square, 9K square, 16K square, AB square. This implies AB is equals to 4K. So we have base as 4K. Now if you want to calculate other ratios, let us say cos of A, then the ratio is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? It is AB. You will write 4K upon 5K. Finally, it is 4 by 5. Tan of A, P by B, that is 3 by 5. K factor is now removed. Now what about the cosec A? It is the reciprocal of sine A. That is 5 by 3. Need not to calculate anything, but you should remember it is a reciprocal. You must write H by P. Sec A, that is H by B, 5 by 4. Then it is cot of A, reciprocal of tan, 5 by 3. So if you know one ratio, trigonometric ratio, you can find other 5 ratios. So this is how they are